Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change spark plugs on a Mitsubishi Montero Sport. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns and potential damage. Gather all necessary tools, including a spark plug socket, ratchet, and a torque wrench. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery cable before you begin any work under the hood. This prevents accidental electrical shorts. Now, let's remove the old spark plugs. Begin by carefully labeling and disconnecting the ignition coils or spark plug wires from each plug. This helps ensure they go back in the correct order. Use your spark plug socket and ratchet to gently loosen and remove each spark plug. Take a moment to inspect the old plugs for any signs of wear, oil, or unusual deposits, which can indicate other engine issues. It's time to install the new spark plugs. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new spark plug. This prevents them from seizing in the cylinder head. Hand tighten each plug first to avoid cross-threading, then use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specified torque. Finally, securely reconnect the ignition coils or spark plug wires to their respective plugs. For the final steps, reconnect the negative battery terminal securely. Double-check all connections to ensure everything is properly seated. Start your engine and listen for smooth idling. Check for any misfires or unusual noises. If everything sounds good, you've successfully changed your spark plugs. And speaking of upgrades, be sure to check the description for a link to the amazing Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space spotless.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.